Hi there, Craig with Traveling Tartan here. Just wanted to bring you a quick video on the unboxing of my new Disney MagicBands that just arrived in the mail. We are set to go to Disney and I ordered these online so they would arrive for us. And I wanted to kind of take you through the whole package, all right? So we'll talk about what's in the box, what you get, and then what you actually can do with your MagicBands, how you use them when you're in the park and so on, okay? So here we go, unboxing. So this is how it comes, just a little white box. You open it up, it's kind of nice looking, got a little bit of thing going on here. This is kind of how they look inside the box when you get them. So just comes like that. You have the ability to pull these apart here, and you can take these guys out. So that's your MagicBands when you take them out. You also have a little MagicBand information booklet, and it comes with it. Just a little bit of information about the RFID part of it, and there's a thing in the center here that tells you various different things you can do with it. Fair enough. So let's get to the meat and potatoes. So you've got obviously two MagicBands in on this package. You just take them off, and then you've got the piece of paper itself. Has a little bit of instructions on the back. It tells you, how you can use them, whether or not you need to fit a smaller strap. Gives you that option, and also if you need to replace the battery, there's screws in the back. You can pull it out and put a new battery in there. If you need to make these smaller for a smaller person, you actually take the inside, the orange part of this strap actually pops right out from the grey part here. So it makes for a thinner and then obviously shorter band for someone. If you're connecting it, all you're doing is you've got two little thingies here. They go right in the holes. That's it, no big deal. How can you actually use these? Well, if you stay at a resort, you will actually get one of these complimentary with your accommodation. These are, you can get the basic ones. These are just the basic plain solid colors. I think there's maybe 8 colors, something like that, I don't remember, that you can choose from, all the standard colors in a color palette. Then you can get a discount to the more premium ones perhaps. They come with like different characters on them, things. So if your kid likes whatever, Monsters Inc. or something like that, then they can get one with a Monsters Inc. on it. They don't have a huge selection on the Disney Go, the actual like resort booking website, but you can go to Shop Disney and you can get others, or you can go to Amazon, eBay, you can go all over the place and you can buy them, because really you're just buying the strap. This centerpiece, this puck also actually comes out, so you can actually do other things with it. You can take it out and you can put it on a different kind of holder. So if your kid really likes a Minnie Mouse like plastic necklacey thing, you can pop it out and stick it on there. Or whatever you want to do with it. But these are specifically attached to a link to our account. They have like an RFID thing on the back that tells you how to link it if you need to link it to your account. How do I use these? What do I do with them? Very simple. I ordered these so they would arrive free of charge to the house, so we have them to take down with us. The first thing you can do with them is you can use them to get on the Magic bus, the Magic Express bus. That takes you from the airport, MCO Orlando Airport, to the resorts, and it's free of charge, but you do have to sign up for seats for it. So that's an option you can have, and you can use it there. They are hotel keys, so if you check in online, then you can go straight to your room. If your room is ready, you can get into it with these. If not, you can just leave your cases down at the front desk and head off to wherever you want to go, the parks or other things. You can use them in the park to get in the park, first of all, and then you can use them for all sorts of things. So you can use them to, if you do a memory maker, which is for photos, You can order the photo, get your fast passes 60 days in advance when you're staying at a Disney resort, and then you can go right up and you can use them at the right time, and it lets you in the ride. You can also use them for food, for dining. You need to link a credit card to your Disney account, and then you'll be able to do that as well. So that's kind of nice. Theoretically, that means you never even have to take a credit card or cash into the park. I think obviously it would be prudent to take a backup form of technology with you just in case. But that is something else you can use them for. And battery wise, these things last supposedly a couple of years. People have said they last longer, but you should get a couple of years out of them. If the battery dies in them, you will still be able to use them for basic stuff, just like you do with your credit card, with the tap and go on a credit card. Same idea. It won't have some of the transmitting range type things that like photographs and stuff like that, but for entering a ride and entering the park, you should be able to tap and go and still be able to get in. So that's great. Very excited to use them. I will say that there is quite a possibility that things will change when you go based on the current situations with the pandemic and so on. I know they have, right now, at least when I'm doing this video, fast passes are not active. So that's something that's a bit of a bummer. But depends on when you're watching this video as to what's going to function. Obviously the best way to check is go onto Disney's site. Or plenty of blogs that are out there that talk all about current events going on at Disney and so on. And so do a little research before you go, just to make sure you're not going to have any issues and you're all ready to go. All right, that was a very brief introduction to MagicBands and how you would use them and the unboxing of them. I would love you to comment below on anything you think I missed or something that you would do differently or have experience at right now at Disney. Please like and subscribe, thank you very much. And I look forward to doing a whole bunch of episodes on Disney as we get down there and start using these bad boys. All right, thanks very much for watching. See you again soon.